Hello and welcome traders. I am the co-founder of Forex Frontier and my name is Noah. Today, I'll be doing a full rundown of what you'll be getting once you have access to the Forex Cypher. Now, on first look, this is how your trading view will look like. And of course, you might get a bit spooked once you get access to all of the Forex Cypher information that is being thrown at you. Fear not. I'll be going over each and every single meaning of these indicators, how they can help you and how they can give you an edge in the market. Now, let's start off with what these indicators actually do. They are not a magical solution to the market, but what they can do is help you navigate and make better decisions on whether a trend is good for you, whether the market is going up or down, and it can give you better entries, when to buy and when to sell signals. Not only that, but depending on what your interests are, whether that's a forex currency, some commodities, stocks, cryptocurrencies, or anything else, these indicators will be giving you the proper information that you can utilize to make the best trades possible. Using this, you can start making profits and improving your trading strategies. That's not all. We also have a mentorship program where you'll be able to improve your trading psychology even further, because the technicals can only get you so far. There are so many other things in trading that you need to keep track of in order to succeed. Now, let's get into it. I have a chart over here of the USD CNH, which is the Chinese yuan. It is currently set to the 12th of June. Let's see what the Forex Cypher buy and sell signal has been giving us. These are the previous signals. It has told us to sell here and then to buy back up here and to sell again and buy back in here again. If we double check this with our divergences, we can see that we have a full confirmation thanks to the RSI and divergences as well as the VWAP telling us that these two green circles are connected, giving you a confirmation that this zone is a good place to buy in. The buy and sell signal confirms it even further. Now, if we add on top of it the Forex Cypher AD, which tracks the trends, which has given us the signal that this red diamond is the indication to sell. Now, if we keep looking up here and let's start playing this, we can see we get another sell signal here, which is being confirmed once again by these two dots being connected, giving us a very strong indication that it is better off to sell now. And as we do, you can see the market literally drops 0.28% for the USD to Chinese yuan. You can use this to short. With a leverage of 10, you'll be making about 28% from this single trade. Once again, the Forex Cypher AD gives two more confirmations with these red diamonds confirming that it is probably a good idea to start shorting or selling. Now, if we keep this playing, we can see that the trend gets reversed down here and we immediately get a buy signal from the Forex Cypher buy and sell signals indicator. We are also given a small indication from the divergences that this area is being very oversold, which could potentially lead to you having a better entry into this position. Now, this is not a 100% confirmation, so this trade would be a bit riskier, but overall the indicator seems to be telling you that it is a good idea to be buying here. Not only that, but Forex Cypher AD is giving us a blue triangle. What does that mean? It means that the trend has been reversed. If we draw this down like so, you can see that the trend has been broken. Now, let's see what keeps happening. Okay, we have some price action. Oh, as you can see, for a moment there, we got a small sell signal, which was live. So if I just go back to over here and we reduce the speed to 1x, and let's play this again. This time when it's slower, you can see the sell signal activated. But shortly after that, the market made its correction. Meaning that if you went into a short and closed it before that correction, you would have made quite the profitable swing trade. Now let's up the speed to 10 again. Let's see what keeps happening. So far, nothing too fascinating. We are getting a few sell signals in here. We are getting an interesting confirmation. But so far, the three indicators need to connect. At the point where those three indicators are connected, it is the safest point at which you can do your trade. Because if only one of the indicators is showing you something, that is not 100% confirmed. So let me repeat that. You need to make sure that all of these indicators connect to have the highest chance of success. Now, that doesn't mean you can't use only one of them. Some traders specifically only stick to the divergences, which are fairly decent ways of showing market trends as well. So let's see what is going to happen if we only use divergences. We're giving a double confirmation here to buy at this level. Let's see what's going to happen. Well, as you can see, the market gave you that buy over here at this level, and then shortly after over here, it gave us a sell signal. This means that you could have made a very nice swing trade on this. After that, we can see that the market gave us another buy signal down here, which wasn't as strong because it didn't have this line connecting it, showing us that it is a repeat of a previous market event. Now, let's see if we follow this and then sell at this point, that's another 0.06%. Of course, because this is Forex, you'll be using leverage and trade in much bigger amounts, giving you much higher profit than the simple 0.06%. Let's take a look at something else. I personally am a fan of commodities and crypto, gold specifically. Gold has been giving us a very clear indication of a buy here, which was confirmed thanks to these two levels over here in the divergences. As you can see, after that, it gave us another buy signal. And then the Forex Cypher AD let us know that the trend got reversed. It is no longer in a downtrend and it is now going upwards. So if you bought following this buy signal right here, because you might have missed the first one, which was at its lowest level, which happens, maybe there was something else that was stopping you, or you were simply waiting for the confirmation. But then you get it. You get this confirmation to buy, and you'll be up 0.84% up to this level. Now, if we take it to its final price after this buy signal, you would still be up at 0.61%. But in my opinion, or at least the way that I use this system, once I get this buy confirmation, I will enter my trade and then I will exit it once I get this divergence telling me that the market is looking to sell off, which means it will be distributing its profits. Because you have to remember, from a psychological standpoint, the market is a PvP environment. What is a PvP environment? Well, in short, it's player versus player, which means you are trading against other people who are doing an opposite trade of yours. We go into much more in-depth information about this concept in some of our other educational videos and on our Discord server as well. But now, let's take a look at another stock, because commodities are fun, Forex is fun, but let's take a look at Nvidia. This baby has been going up non-stop since the beginning of this year. And you can see if we switch to the hourly chart over here, if we go back to the start of 2024, it has been going quite strong, making a whopping 180% in 6 months. That is absolutely insane. But you can also see how our Forex Cypher buy and sell signals have been constantly catching each and every single perfect moment to be entering trades. We have an absolute sell signal here into a buy, leading us to the first stop of the cycle, then a sell off, and then another buy over here, and then another sell, another buy, another sell, another buy, another sell, then another buy down here, sell it up here, buy again, sell, buy, and now we're waiting for us to take our final profit, which is currently sitting at 26.71% on a trade that has been opened last month. Now let's take a look at some crypto. I have here Ethereum loaded up on my trading view, and let's go back in time. Let us go back way back in time, all the way to here. If we take a look deeper into the market, let's see how Forex Cypher has been helping us make these insane trades as if we're snipers, literally sniping some of the best potential price action targets. Let's see how it goes. I have buy there. Oop. I buy literally before the market skyrockets. 25% difference. Let's keep going. Market finally tells us to sell off, and of course, we take our profits. What is this? 25% profits. 25% profits in the span of 3 days and 9 hours. Let's continue. The market has a huge correction downwards and then a reset. Then another buy here. We did get a sell, which was quickly cancelled out because you have to keep in mind that the Forex Cypher works based on your time frames. So if we go into a micro time frame, there will be more opportunities for you to do swing trades, and it will look a bit more different. But still, you can see a buy signal right over here into a sell, and that is a clean 5%. This buy signal here gave us another 5%. So the lower the time frame, the more chances for you to do swing trades. The higher the time frame, well, then you'll be holding on for longer trades. We get the sell confirmation. We see that the trend has reversed and that we're in a downtrend, but then another trend reversal to another downtrend, another trend reversal. We did get a buy signal, a few sells around here. Oh, and we have our sell over there. So if we track this, 3.31% over 3 days. Not as good as the previous 25, but still a decent amount. Let's keep going. Another buy, another 3% up here. Now this is great. This, you shouldn't only be following these buy and sells. Sometimes you could be making decisions based off of entirely the A and D trends. So this was a trend showcasing that the market will have a little sell-off. If you followed that, you would have made 7.28% on a short. But the thing is, down here in the divergences, we haven't gotten a full confirmation. So this trade would have been quite risky to pull off. And we don't like that. We want to have as much confirmation and safety as possible while risking as little and making as much as possible. Now, let's take a look at everybody's favorite GME, the biggest meme stock on the market. How does this look? Well, this is the hourly chart. Let's go even further into the 30 minutes and let's see how this has been working out for us. As you can see, once again, giving us 125%, 128% in a single trade. Another buy here. So that would be another 97%. A sell signal here for the trend. We get a little buy here, but then we get the full buy confirmation down here, followed by another buy signal, a trend reversal triangle, a sell over here for a measly 26%, not too shabby, another buy over here, followed by a sell for 35, another buy here, followed by a sell at 69% profit. And of course we also have this giving us a little buy and sell for 8 point. Oh, never mind, this one was actually bad. Never mind, this one was a dud. But this just goes to show that even the best technical indicator in the world is not a magic solution to the market. Sometimes things happen that we cannot predict and that even the system cannot deal with. So what happened here? Why did it give us a buy and then it had a sell? Well, that's interesting. If we take a look at this little red cross, which is currently being hidden due to the trend lines that we're seeing here for the moving averages, but this one usually indicates that there has been some form of market manipulation. This is again market manipulation. And again, market manipulation. We all know GME has been having quite the ride over the past few months, and certain traders have profited thanks to being able to catch whenever these market manipulations are happening. Now let's take a look at the S&P 500. We had a buy signal down here, and that would be about 2.29% ever since entering that buy. These are not the only signals we have. Other than using the technical indicators, we also have our own CFA certified traders constantly doing sentimental and technical analysis using these tools to make sure that the trades that they're posting in their Telegram and Discord channels are the most profitable for our community. If you want to take part in this community, head on over to our website at forexfrontier.net and sign up. We're currently having a very limited amount of spots due to high demand. I believe there's currently only 3 or 4 spots available all the way for July because June is completely booked. So make sure you sign up while there is still time, because first come, first served. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see more of you in our communities alongside all of our traders. Have a good one.